Do you know that your phone has 3 scanners enabled by default that scans your environment? This allows advertisers to track your location, expose information about your device, and also drains your battery faster. So in this video, I will tell you where you can find these scanners and how to disable them. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Now for the first scanner, go to Settings, scroll down, then click Google. In here, select All Services, and then Devices. So in here, you will see this scan for nearby devices. So this scanner constantly scans for nearby devices using Bluetooth even when Bluetooth is turned off. However, for me, this is not really necessary, and it exposes your device for possible malware attacks. It also drains your battery faster, so it's better to turn it off. Now the next scanner also scans your surroundings, continues to run in the background, and also drains your battery faster. And the creepy part, this scanner also tracks your location, how long you have been there, in order to constantly show your ads. Now to disable it, go to Settings. After that, select Location. And here, select Location Services. Scroll down to Bluetooth Scanning and turn it off. This will not have any significant effect on using geolocation, for example when using Google Maps. And the last scanner works same as the Google scanner, but it's from your phone's manufacturer. You can find it in your settings, then open connections. Scroll down and click more connection settings. In here you will see this nearby device scanning. As I already mentioned, this is the same scanner as one from Google, but it's from your phone's manufacturer. To increase your privacy and reduce battery drain, so we will turn this off. Now your phone is more secure and it can last a day on a single charge. So that's it for the tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.